John-Hooks here from John-Hooks.com. Welcome to my review of PayingBee. Alright, so PayingBee, it pays us $30 for every page of English we read. From our bedroom or anywhere in the world. Works for non-English speakers, newbie, friendly, no upfront costs, and fast payments. A little bit more what it's about. So if you think you're a bookworm, and hey, even if you're not, this is perfect for you, because there's a way to make money that might just be perfect for you. Introducing PayingBee. That's right, now you can earn an average of $30 for each page you read. Let our artificial intelligence powered software do the reading. It can catch grammar and spelling mistakes, and you don't even have to have a sharp eye for it. So what are you waiting for? Start earning money today. Continuously earn an average of $30 for every page that you read. Earn as high as $547 per sale through our deep converting funnel. Tried and tested for high conversions, proven methodology for you to bank with us. So here are the prices. $17, there's a $2 exit coupon, and so you can get it for $15 today. And so everything we talked about here is the front end. There are a number of one-time offers. We have the unlimited edition for $37 on the down sale. That includes your commercial license. You can remove all of the limits in the front end. Put PayingBee on on steroids. Get upgraded to an ultra-fast Server B server. Pro video trainings. OTO number 2 for $197 on the down sale. Equip yourself with our done-for-you templates to get full PayingBee business suite, complete setup and general fine-tune. Let us do everything for you. Over 200 done-for-you PayingBee templates, massively increase earning abilities, no technical skills required. OTO number 3 for $67 on the down sale, the Job Hunter Pro. Unlock the ability to exploit 3 more secret sites to upload your special documents to triple your income. Just like owning not 1 but 4 McDonald's franchises. You'll be able to do the same amount of work but compound your earnings. OTO number 4, Traffic Booster for $67 on the down sale. So this allows you to ride on our traffic sources and insights to get more traffic from the internet. Tap into our gold traffic system, drive unlimited traffic directly to your PayingBee pages. We place your pixels on the back end of our sales pages. You get high quality data from us. You can retarget or create lookalike audiences, plug and play data provided. Enjoy unlimited traffic. All right, OTO number 5, high ticket maximizer for $47 on the down sale. This equips you with the how-tos to get high ticket commissions. OTO number 6, the reseller license for $97. Of course, that's you can resell PayingBee and keep 100% of the profits. All right, OTO number 7. Passive Income Masterclass for $37 on the down sale. Equips you with the skills to generate passive hands-free income through our specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. And OTO number 8 is the multiple streams of income masterclass, also for $37 on the down sale. And this equips you with the skills to create multiple streams of income through our 7 specifically selected multiple streams of income masterclass. All right, and so these benefits here, members accumulated over $124,000 for PayingBee in the past 40 days. Members are getting paid to read and fix spelling and grammar errors. 100% never seen before method. Instant payments directly to your PayPal account. All that work is done for us by the automated app. No experience whatsoever is needed. So easy, even a non-native speaker can do it. 30-day money-back guarantee. So there is a demo video here on my bonus page. I won't go through it, but it takes you through the multiple resources and methods for earning money for basically proofreading and catching grammar and spelling errors. And believe me, there are tons of people that need that help. Even when I create these bonus pages and I'm copying stuff, from the vendors' resources, I correct words and grammar and punctuation all the time. As a matter of fact, just with the copy, that I put in this today, I think I had about at least 10 to 12 different corrections that I made to make it a little bit easier read. All right, so I have a number of bonuses for you when you pick up PayingBee through my links today. And of course, you can click on any of the red banners that you see on my bonus page here. Will get you to your secure checkout. So the first bonus is Sales Copy Secrets. This is a digital download edition. It's how to write compelling sales letter that converts. And I think this is a real helpful resource. I specifically added this for this product here because of the value of knowledge that it gives you when it comes to sales copy and how things should look, and so that will help you maintain and get repeat business from the people that you have been hired out to correct their copy. Now, let me show you a little bit what this looks like. This is it here. Like I said, it's a digital download version, so this is what it looks like as soon as you access it. It has direction. You can turn the pages, with your mouse or finger on your tablet or phone. On the computer or laptop, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard here, and you probably can't hear it, but it does have sound effects. You can jump directly to specific pages if you want. You can, as you saw, you can increase the size to make it easier to read for you, and a couple of other features there. So it is fantastic. So bonus number 2 is Back to Basics, the tools that you need to succeed online. Bonus number 3, One-Page Profits, very successful program on making money online. Bonus number 4, YT Velocity. This is how to unlock, set, and forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that PayingBee are giving you through me, when you purchase through any of my links here today. All right, so that is it. This is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. So once you go to your secure checkout, after you click on any of my red banners here, you'll come to your purchase page where you will click on the green button here to access PayingBee and their bonuses, and you'll click on the blue button to access the bonuses that I have offered to you today. All right, and so that is it, quick and simple. Let me go ahead and ask you to please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much. I want to go ahead and thank you for taking the time to watch this video and its contents, the bonuses. Don't forget the demo video here for you. And that is it. I hope you have a great day or evening ahead of you. And as always, to your success.